Ukraine's defense forces have released an impressive video of an operation to clear Russian invaders from the territory of an industrial facility in Toretsk. On Friday, January 31st, the 100th Separate Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian ground forces shared the footage. Footage that makes Hollywood blockbusters pale in comparison. A group of occupiers infiltrated an industrial facility in Toretsk, Bakhmut district, Donetsk region, the military stated. As reported, the task of expelling the invaders was assigned to an armored group consisting of a tank, commanded by Anubis, a crew of an M2 Bradley IFV, commanded by Apostle, and a clearance team from the National Police Special Unit Cord, supported by a Senator MRAP armored vehicle. The mission was completed quickly and efficiently. Watch for yourself how it unfolded, the Ukrainian warriors stated. As of late January 2025, Toretsk, a city in Donetsk Oblast, remains a focal point of intense combat between Ukrainian and Russian forces. The situation is described as very tense and chaotic, with extremely dense fire contact between the opposing units. Positions are in such close proximity that firefights can occur between rooms within buildings. Russian infantry is actively advancing deeper into the city, utilizing debris and houses for cover, complicating targeting efforts. The most active combat zones are the city center, near the central mine, and the Zabalko neighborhood. In recent developments, Ukrainian forces have managed to regain lost positions near Toretsk, while Russian forces have also made advances in the vicinity, including areas near Chasiv Yar and Kurakove. Geolocated footage from late January indicates Ukrainian advancements in northwestern Toretsk and Russian movements near the Toretsk mine in the northern part of the city. The urban warfare in Toretsk is characterized by close-quarters combat, with both sides engaging in intense firefights within the city. The dynamic and fluid nature of the battle has led to a complex and rapidly changing front line. Ukrainian General Staff confirms, on the night of January 31, 2025, Ukrainian UAV units and military intelligence hit the Lukoil refinery in Volgograd, one of Russia's largest. The attack caused explosions at this key facility supplying Russian forces. And Astra reports that Sibur suspends operations after Ukrainian drones attack on Enterprise in Kostovo. Sibur Kostovo, which was attacked by a UAV on January 29th, has switched its main installations to backup mode, the company's press service reported. Product shipments are temporarily suspended, the company said in a statement. Currently, the consequences of the Ukrainian attack are being assessed, and repairs are being carried out on the territory of the Enterprise. Astra has found out that as a result of the Ukrainian attack on the plant on January 29th, the EP-300 ethylene and propylene production unit caught fire. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine confirmed the attack on the Nizhny Novgorod region and stated that after the UAV strike, a powerful fire was recorded on the territory of the facility, and that the drones hit the oil refinery. The 414th Strike Drone Regiment, Birds of Magyar, released footage on how they repelled a Russian mechanized attack. The video shows how, one by one, Russian armored vehicles are being destroyed. In recent operations, the Birds of Magyar have demonstrated significant success against Russian forces. On January 25, 2025, they released footage showcasing the destruction of 6 Russian armored vehicles equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems and protective grills. Despite the enemy's use of multi-channel electronic warfare equipment, the brigade's FPV drone operators employed non-standard frequencies to effectively neutralize these threats. Additionally, the brigade has developed innovative tactics to counter Russian fiber-optic-controlled FPV drones, which are resistant to traditional electronic warfare measures. By utilizing mobile radar systems, they can detect these drones and deploy kamikaze UAVs to intercept and destroy them before they reach their intended targets. This advancement addresses a significant challenge posed by the enemy's use of fiber-optic technology in drone operations. The Birds of Magyar have also been instrumental in disrupting Russian ground assaults. In one notable operation, their drones successfully eliminated an entire Russian assault platoon, totaling 32 soldiers, by conducting nighttime reconnaissance and targeted strikes. This operation not only prevented a planned enemy offensive, but also showcased the brigade's capability to conduct effective nocturnal operations using drones equipped with thermal imaging technology. The rapid expansion and success of the 414th Unmanned Strike Aviation Brigade underscore the evolving nature of modern warfare, where UAVs play a crucial role in reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and direct combat operations. Their innovative approaches and adaptability continue to contribute significantly to Ukraine's defense efforts. The 414th Unmanned Strike Aviation Brigade, commonly known as the Birds of Magyar, is a specialized unit within the Ukrainian Marine Corps. Established on January 16, 2024, under the leadership of Senior Lieutenant Robert Magyar Brovdi, the unit has rapidly evolved from a company to a battalion, then to a regiment, and as of December 31, 2024, it has been expanded into a brigade. Operators of the Flying Skull Battalion destroyed a Russian BM-21 Grad MLRS. As of July 2023, Ukrainian forces have destroyed over 250 Russian BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket systems since the onset of the full-scale invasion in February 2022. Ukraine will receive a new batch of F-16 fighter jets from the Netherlands this year, says Defense Minister Rustem Umerov. The Netherlands will also provide €400 million for drones, launch joint long-range strike projects, and send artillery shells, air defense systems, and interceptor missiles. The Netherlands Air Force will help train 26 Ukrainian military personnel as F-16 senior technicians. The Dutch Ministry of Defense announced this following a meeting between the defense ministers of Ukraine and the Netherlands. The training will reportedly take place at an unnamed airbase and will last until the end of April. Despite the Netherlands initiating this training, the Dutch Army is not directly involved in the training itself. The senior technician is responsible for serviceability and combat readiness, completeness and quality of aircraft preparation for flight, training of subordinate technical crew members in the rules and practical skills of performing work on the aircraft, serviceability and safety of tools and equipment assigned, protection of classified equipment installed on the aircraft, preservation of aircraft munitions of the first munition. In addition, senior technicians are responsible for final checks and accept the aircraft from the pilot upon return. He reports to the head of the technical and operational unit and is the direct supervisor of the technical crew. Ukraine's Defense Minister Rustem Umerov announced the transfer of a new batch of F-16s from the Netherlands in 2025. This will be the second batch of aircraft from the Netherlands. The first was delivered in October 2024. In addition, the minister announced agreements on the distribution of €400 million announced in October 2024 for the purchase of drones for the Ukrainian Defense Forces. He also announced the preparation of joint projects on long-range capabilities. According to the original plan, it was announced that almost half of them would be developed in the Netherlands.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.